Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Mohamed Suleiman Richman bin Daudi. In fact, guys, what is about to happen? What a shocking news from Chelsea. Now, Chelsea is about to send official bid to sign Alejandro Garnacho. To sign Alejandro Garnacho, the footballer, the player, Chelsea fans said, this guy get bad attitude. We don't need him in our Chelsea. Now, it is looking like our Todbole said that, okay, for me, if Chelsea fan, you don't need Garnacho. For me, Todbole Eribale, I need Garnacho. I will go and sign him. So for that matter, guys, they did a research about Garnacho attitude. Yes. And after the research, this is the conclusion from Chelsea owners. Chelsea have done their homework on Garnacho, which has included a series of background checks into his character and personality. It is believed that Chelsea are comfortable with the results of their checks. Guys, that is the information. That Chelsea believe that they are comfortable with the results of their checks. So for that matter, they didn't see anything wrong about Garnacho's attitude or his character, as Chelsea fans we are saying. So for that matter, they may go and sign him. Even information came that Chelsea will submit official bid soon to go and sign him. This is the information. Chelsea are expected to make an offer for Garnacho before the transfer window shut, but may have to wait for United's search for a new striker to come to an end. You see? And I keep on saying this every day here that Chelsea will sign Garnacho. Chelsea interested to sign Garnacho. See, even if United were selling Garnacho 100 million, still Chelsea will sign him. Because he's just a young player, and you know our project is like that, young players. So they see Garnacho to be a future prospect. So guys, see, if United agree for the 30 million Chelsea want to pay for him, today Chelsea will sign Garnacho. I'm telling you. So Garnacho coming to Chelsea is possible. Even out of 100%, I would say 80%. I'm telling you, the owners, they want to sign Garnacho. But see, I keep on saying it here. I will not say that I disagree with those saying that Garnacho had a bad attitude. I saw it myself, yes, during the final, after the final, the comment that he made, yes, and those, his body language, anytime that he's being substitute of at United, yes, the attitude is there. But see, guys, see, we are Chelsea. In Chelsea, you can't show attitude. I'm telling you. If you come to Chelsea, especially recent Chelsea, you see Madueke showed that attitude this season. One game, Enzo Maresca substituted him off. He was walking off with his shoulders high, and even in that game, he didn't walk to the bench. He walked to the washroom or what and what. After the game, they asked him, he lied or yes, that he went to the washroom to what. See, Chelsea currently the win position. See, competition all over. That is why our Kudus could not come. I'm telling you, if you come to Chelsea and you are showing attitude, you will die on the bench. I'm telling you, Gittins is there, Estevao is there. See, even Nicola Jackson is there. Currently, Nicola Jackson will play as a winger because Jackson cannot bench Pedro again, even the lap. And also, Cole Palmer is playing as a winger currently. So even if Ganacho comes to Chelsea, see guys, he can show attitude. If Ganacho show attitude, the following season, we are selling him to Arsenal. I'm telling you, because Arsenal, they always take our chaps. Yes, if Garnacho come to Chelsea and try to show that attitude, no, he will not get the playing time. So for me, I believe that Garnacho coming, he would rather come trying to compete. He would rather come trying to play well, to get the playing time. That is why he even want to stay in the Premier League, play in the Premier League. Information came that Garnacho don't want to live in the Premier League. So Garnacho coming to Chelsea, he is coming to compete. Garnacho is not coming to Chelsea to work straight into Chelsea starting 11. No. So for me, I believe that even if Chelsea sign Garnacho at the end, guys, it will work. It will work. But that is my opinion. Let me hear from you in the comment section your opinion, your thought about Chelsea signing Garnacho. Should Chelsea go for him or Chelsea should go for another player? Guys, let me hear from you. And let's come to the next important transfer. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's come to Xavi Simons latest. After Chelsea completed the talented centre-back Jarahito, who is better than Martinez, who is better than Gabriel. Yes, now Chelsea is working harder and harder to launch Xavi Simon. Yes, and this is the latest information for Xavi Simon. Chelsea are yet to make an official bid for Xavi Simon following their initial inquiry, but there's optimism a deal can be clinched. RB Leipzig are interested in 3 Chelsea players: Broja, George, and Chukwuemeka. So now Chelsea had a verbal talk with RB Leipzig. So Chelsea is about to then send official bid to Leipzig to sign Xavi Simon. Yes, and RB Leipzig also interested in 3 Chelsea players: Broja, George, and Chukwuemeka. That is another reason why the deal is so complicated like that. Yes, especially Chukwuemeka, they want him badly. Yes, so now during the course of this week, Chelsea will send official bid, and information said that his fee is below 16 million. So let's say Chelsea can try to sign him also 40 million or 45. So that's what all those things they are now working on, Chelsea and RB Leipzig. And also, as I said, they want George, they want Kenny. Yes. So let's see, guys, because this guy accepted to join Chelsea. Now everybody want to join Chelsea because immediately you join, guaranteed trophies are there. Yes. Ja Pedro just joined Chelsea. He didn't even train with Chelsea. Ja Pedro didn't even know Chelsea training ground. Already he won a trophy. So even I myself, I want to join Chelsea. I know you also want to join Chelsea. Everybody want to join Chelsea because trophies are guaranteed. So guys, for Xavi Simon, personal terms is not an issue. He agreed to join Chelsea. So now it's about the fee, and it is imminent. Maybe by the ending part of this week, the transfer can happen. And let's come to the best striker in the world, Nicolas Jackson. Our Nicolas Jackson. The Nicolas Jackson every Chelsea fan cherish and love. This is the latest information for Nicolas Jackson. There remain an expectation that Chelsea will receive offer for Nicolas Jackson, with Newcastle and Juventus potential needing strikers. Yes, so Newcastle and Juventus are interested to sign Nicolas Jackson. And information came that Newcastle also want to sign Sesko and United. So at the end of the day, if it happened that United sign Sesko, Newcastle may come back to see if they can get Nicolas Jackson. And Jackson, the issue is that the fee. Chelsea value Nicolas Jackson 18 million. And teams that are coming said, no, we can't sign Jackson 18 million. But can you believe that they pay 95 million for Eketeke? They pay 95 million for Eketeke. Can someone tell me that Eketeke is better than Jackson? United, how much they sign Hodgelo? How much they sign Ziggy? And you can't pay 18 million for goal scoring, prolific, clinical Nicolas Jackson? Yes, Nicolas Jackson so far in the Premier League 2 seasons, he scored more than 10 goals in each of his seasons in the Premier League. So why are you saying that Newcastle, you can't pay 18 million for Jackson and United? So guys, that is the latest for Jackson. Yes, Newcastle interested in Juventus. And for Juve, we all know they will not pay the 18 million. For them, forget. Some of the Italian team, they are stingy. But when they are selling their players to you, Charlie, they figure that they are quoting. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, Chelsea selling Nicolas Jackson. And the young winger, Estevao Williams. Chelsea signed from Palmeiras. Yes, now he will join Chelsea on 4th August. That will be Monday. He will join his teammates. And information said that Estevao understanding of English language is not that, yes, up there. So I heard Maresca can speak Spanish. He can speak Italian and so many languages. So Maresca will run him through maybe some little English section. Yes. By the way, Estevao will join his teammate on 4th August. Yes. He will come to Cobham, and even 4th August, all the squad, the players will return to Cobham training to start the preseason and to start the new season. And also, McGill to Sunderland on loan. McGill completed his move to Sunderland, and Sunderland will cover all his wages. Information from Fabrizio. So we are wishing him all the best. Yes, he should go there and improve, trying to get the playing time. Maybe if he develop next season, he can then come and play for Chelsea. And Chelsea signed another winger from Crystal Palace called Jesse Derry. He is 18 years of age. So Chelsea signed him from Palace. Official, he will join Chelsea Yes, Jesse Derry. And all these players, I think they are for the future, not for the current Chelsea, the current starting 11. But he is a good player, yes. In the future, maybe Chelsea can sell him again to balance the books. Yes, Chelsea is investing. Chelsea is not spending money that we are investing. And Chelsea is working with so many share sponsors. Yes, maybe the time the Premier League season will start, Chelsea will get a new share sponsor. And these are the possible share sponsors Chelsea are in talk with: Qatar Airways, Sony, Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Amazon. Yes, these are the possible front shirt of sponsors Chelsea are in talk with. So guys, these are the latest information from Chelsea camp as we are speaking now. During the course of the day, if anything come, I will update you. I will let you know on this channel. So please stay on to Football Lions, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button, tell another football fan about this channel, Football Lions, and share this video. Take care, peace.